So in this video, I'll be showing you how to find screenshots on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you've been taking screenshots or screen recordings on your Switch and you want to be able to find them so that you can share them, delete them, or perform whatever it is that you want to perform with them, then this is what you need to do. All you need to do is just navigate to this toolbar and then swipe through the different options until you find album. Alternatively, you can always just look for album and just select it using the touch function. From here, you can now see your screenshots or any captured screen recordings. So if you want to view one, just select it, and then you can view the screenshot that you've taken, and you can swipe through the different ones if you have multiple. And then you can see different actions you can apply whenever you've taken your screenshot. So you have delete, which is X. You have back, which is B, you have menu, which is A, all sorts of functions. If you want to hide this pop-up menu, then you can just press on this plus button here on your console and the footer will be hidden. Then you can be able to view the screenshots without anything obstructing the screenshot from being seen properly. If you want to restore the footer, you can just press on the button again and it will be restored. Then you can tap on A and you can even choose to upload it to your micro SD card. You can choose to delete it. You can choose to add text. You can choose to upload to a smart device, all sorts of things. And so that's how you can view or how you can find screenshots on your Nintendo Switch 2. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.